Hey everyone, for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to send money from Venmo to Cash App. This is a very simple tutorial, and with this tutorial, you're gonna be able to send your friends money from your Venmo account to their Cash App account. Or you can send, from your Venmo account to your Cash App account. And as you can see, I'm in Cash App right here. Venmo. I don't have actual Venmo. I only have pictures because I can't have Venmo in my country, but I'm still gonna walk you through it. So go ahead and tap on the note icon. Type the username of the person you want to send it to, and once you do that, you're gonna want to tap on information. Once you tap on information, you can find their Cash App profile. So basically, just find their Cash App profile and then send them money from there. You can describe it, like the description of the money, like what's it for, maybe like a birthday gift, or and you can also choose how much money you want. Right here, it's gonna show right here, and then you can either request or pay them. So once again, I'm gonna walk you through it. Note, name, information, logo, Cash App, and then number, description, pay or request. That's all. It's very simple. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. Any questions? Feel free to comment down below.